Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Palworld on PS4 or PS5. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, open the PlayStation Store on your PS4 or PS5 console. Use the search function within the PlayStation Store to look for Palworld. If the game is available for PlayStation consoles, it should appear in the search results. If Palworld is available for PlayStation consoles, you can purchase and download it directly from the PlayStation Store. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the purchase and initiate the download process. Once the game is downloaded, you can install it in your PS4 or PS5 console. After installation is complete, you should be able to launch the game from your console's home screen and start playing. Make sure to check for any updates or patches for Palworld after installing it in your PlayStation console. Developers often release updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and add new features. So that's basically how you can play Palworld on PS4 or PS5. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.